Two things. Cooking burgers on cast iron is awesome. Cooking burgers on charcoal is awesome. Let's do both. Hey folks, welcome back. I'm Ken Rogers and we're mostly outdoors. Guys, recently I purchased this 14-inch, it's a Lodge cast iron griddle. They build this as a pizza pan, which is awesome. I'll be using it for that too. But my main purpose is to have a griddle for my Weber kettle outside. I'll be using it for several different things. And I've been playing with some burgers out here, just trying to get down how much charcoal I need or whatever. So I'm gonna take you out here. We're gonna cook some burgers, pretty basic burgers. We're just gonna put these burgers on the griddle, fry them up, throw some cheese on it, and toast some buns, and just make us an awesome hamburger. Very simple, very basic. Let's get going. Okay guys, very simple. I got three, they're maybe a third pound, maybe not quite, just because I divided up a very small one over here for my grandson that I don't want any seasoning on. But we're simply using, it's called, I don't know if I can show it to you there. This is Trade East, it's Canadian steak seasoning. It's very similar to McCormick's Montreal steak. It's almost identical ingredients, so pretty basic. Goes great on these burgers though. Let's get this grill going. Alright guys, for the buns, they're just plain white, standard size buns. I just got some melted butter. Get on here so we can toast these babies up. Do that to all three. Alright. Let's get our griddle heated up. Keep it a little mobile. We want to get some good heat. Whew, that is hot. Right up in here. Keep a little cooler side down here. Not a lot. Most of your heat's going to be up here though. Alright guys, it is time. Let's get some olive oil down here. Spread out a little bit. This bad boy's done. Over this into that. Throw a little baby one down here for the grandson. So we're getting juices on there. Junior is ready to flip. Oh, look at that sear, look at that. Oops, I messed up by moving it. Leave that alone. Hey guys, same deal, we got some juices going here. Oh, almost too much. That's alright, I'm sure it's good. Major sear. It's gonna be awesome. We got our buns here, so it's gonna take a second. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, pull this back. A little bit off the fire. Pull them off the direct heat. Good. This is just processed American cheese, no big deal. We'll make this burger good though. Let that sweat it out a minute. Let's get these bad boys off of here and go make us a burger. All right, guys, let's make us a burger. A little mayonnaise on the bottom of the bun. About out of mayonnaise. Burger going on. Look at that goodness. Mustard. Ketchup. Very important for me. Put the bun on, take it right back off. Little iceberg lettuce. And a nice red tomato. Put that down right there. Oh yeah. Let's take a bite. I'm gonna cut this in half, but I was afraid it's gonna fall apart. Look at that. Got cheese and lettuce and tomato. If I had a pickle, I'd put it on there. Alright. That steak seasoning on that burger just really sets that off. Obviously the sear of the cast iron, and I'm definitely getting a flavor from the charcoal. I mean, it's the best of both worlds, guys. If you ever get a chance to do this, you see the griddles out there, the propane griddles out there, they're great. I kind of want one myself, a smaller one, but this is where it's at. Charcoal, griddle, burger. We're gonna do some more cooks with this, guys. More to come, I assure you. Some steaks and whatever. We might even do a pizza on there. Hey, that's what it was made for, so we're gonna do it. You'll see it all. But guys, thanks so much. I'm gonna have a link to this griddle down below. It's made by Lodge. It's made in America, which is real important for me. It's gonna be down there in the comments. Check it out, guys. It's only about 40 bucks. So there it is. Guys, thanks so much. Thank you for liking this video. Please like, share, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. So we will see you on the next video. God love you, folks. Goodbye.